everyone's going to win, not just one person who sits in the middle of all those different transactions, right? But where we all win, because we all are stakeholders of these networks, because we all share the ownership of these networks, and we all benefit from it.
That looks ridiculous.
Yeah, Vincent has a big head.
Yes. That's what he kept sharing.
With this Amsterdam event, we're one step closer to it. It's been a huge success, as I said. 100 rooms booked and about $20,000 saved. And we're going to do the same. We're going to repeat this for all the Ethereum events this year. Not all, but most of them. Very, very bright future is waiting for all of us.